Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Guys, 11 Bitcoin ETFs were approved today in accordance with the order issued according to Section 19. B.2 of the Exchange Act, and the Commission is now moving quickly to approve them. For many reasons, this was also quite significant. In this little video, I'll tell you all about that, plus what I think will happen after this. The only thing I ever ask is that you hit that like button down below, leave a remark with an X, share the material, subscribe, which is totally free by the way, and give us a thumbs up if you like being updated. In case you were wondering, and I have no doubt that you are already aware, we received our approval today. For much more reasons than I can list here, this is absolutely monumental. I mean, this was a giant jump ahead. The causes for this are numerous. However, widespread acceptance is the primary reason why I think we achieved a tremendous success today. Am I correct? For how long has it been? Has the necessity of widespread adoption been brought up in our discussions? Plus, there was a giant step toward widespread acceptance today, guys. Regardless of their feelings or the opinions of the banking sector, cryptocurrency is becoming more mainstream. The mainstream will see us now. Right now. I mean, come on. If you're anything like me and have been into cryptocurrency for a while, you're bound to have a crypto career by now, right? At some point, you undoubtedly endured ridicule, whether it was from a loved one, a stranger you struck up a conversation with on the street, or both. Perhaps they declared cryptocurrency to be fraudulent, perhaps they simply disregarded you as an idea. During which time you maintained your strength, didn't you? Your unwavering determination was driven by a clear vision. You witnessed the true nature of blockchain technology in action. And now you're reaping the benefits. To all those who have persisted, done their homework, and avoided being overwhelmed, well done. That is exactly what they were hoping for. While doing so, hey, what's the deal with the leads? Surely the protagonists were about to go. Plus paid performers like Gary Gensler. Oh, he did something good today, they'll remark. He saved himself a ton of trouble by doing this today, otherwise, he would be in legal hot water. Today, he was compelled to do this. Therefore, I will not be saluting you, Gary Gensler. Rather than saluting you, I would like to commend you all for being resolute and sustaining the dream. We already know that tomorrow is the first day of trading, but Bloomberg has gone out and predicted a 4 billion Bitcoin ETF and flow for that day. In my opinion, this is far too cautious. This is going to become a lot of fun and interesting, in my opinion. From what do we gather, what can we expect to happen soon? The Super Bowl? Oh, really? As for what's to come, we already know. Commercials for acts of faithfulness and other major actors who were approved today will be airing non-stop as mass adoptions occur at a 100% rate. In light of this, my personal prediction is that the wealthy will begin to amass even more material wealth. Even for those of us who work in retail, what good does it do to make money? We are delighted by it. People are greedy, so when they're happy and making money, they want to make even more money, right? Therefore, it is very unrealistic to claim that we have billions of dollars flowing into this industry. Now that major market participants have officially accepted Bitcoin ETFs, our industry is about to receive trillions of dollars. We are now officially greenlit, and I've witnessed prices drop below $2 trillion. This market will soon be history. Many of us have been preparing to go since the past crypto winter. Now that we're in the bull run, we just haven't witnessed the huge action. The irony here is that the Bitcoin whales have been purchasing during this time, and many people actually thought Bitcoin was going to have a massive rally today. For that reason, you must have seen a significant upswing during the last few months, correct? That is the reason for its performance. For a while, then. Whose turn is it now, though? Up roughly 10% today, all currencies Ethereum. RIP. As this tape was being made, XRP was doing very well, up nearly 6%. We examined the chart during this recording. There was a tremendous pop. And if we keep an eye on things, we've been in a channel for some time, from 54 to 59 cents, we broke out, and now we're in the 60-cent range, a little under 60 cents at the moment. However, once we surpass that 70-cent mark, won't we? I predict that we will achieve $1,121.30 once we cross the 70-cent mark, and then things will start to heat up. When that happens, we can get serious about reaching the all-time high and beyond. Because, well, you know what's coming. Xrp Etf has been the subject of much conjecture, with many claiming that its launch is imminent. For the time being, I will not be so audacious as to claim that it will occur soon. I will say this, though, I think it's absolutely feasible by year's end. In my opinion, BlackRock will announce that they are developing the Xrp Etf soon. Also, remember last year when disinformation was rampant? In the span of a few minutes, XRP's value increased by around 15%. Am I correct? It sped up tremendously. What, then, did Bitcoin reveal? Am I correct? For the last many months, we had a good idea that this was going to be released. When exactly did it happen? However, a tremendous depletion occurred. Plus, this was Bitcoin, whose market cap is already enormous. What will become of XRP, which has a long way to go? So what are the odds that we won't reach a settlement or that the case will not conclude? Am I correct? I think we're going to see a boom once it drops, that's what I'm getting at. Am I correct? We can almost guarantee that the price of XRP will skyrocket. However, we will witness that expectation that things would work out splendidly throughout the year. Also, this is just my opinion. Some people have made fun of me for claiming that XRP is useless. Check out the cost. To give an example, how do you know it will explode? A lot of people are slacking off on XRP right now. Market XRP will undoubtedly go well, and I still think it's the top sleeping giant. Additionally, XRP will work well with XR. Franklin Templeton, whose assets are 1.5 trillion, that's the T under management, is an amusing example. Which blockchain is their partners? Additionally, the laser eyes were simply attached. Their collaboration is exceptional. Keep in mind, there is a MoneyGram circle. Also, become accustomed to the laser eyes. Franklin Templeton is a huge investment manager. If you've never been on a bull run before a bull market, brace yourself, everyone will be staring at the market like a laser beam. Why? Because everyone is now bullish, and nobody wants to be bullish during the crypto winter, when we were all knocking on wood and proclaiming that blockchain is the future of cryptocurrencies. Reason being, what do we actually have? Terra Luna collapse, FTX, and SPF utterly ruined the show. In actuality, it was all a part of the master plan. However, you persevered. You persevered, and for that I am grateful. We, the community, will persevere. And yet, here we are, standing before you now. Standing firm while Bitcoin becomes popular is one of, if not the most, monumental moments in the history of the industry. We consider this a very significant matter, esteemed guests. In my view, we are just about to encounter better times ahead. The Bitcoin market will naturally experience volatility. As a result, you can expect UPS updates and down days. But in my opinion, if you have a long-term view of this market, say, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 or 5 years from now, you will witness enormous gains at every stage. We have been discussing this for quite some time, but here's something else. Usually, we see cycles, and they could terminate pretty fast. We just looked at the 2021 cycle a few months ago. From my perspective, if this bull run continues, it will be the longest and most profitable one ever. We have ever seen. The reason behind our ownership at the moment, its worldwide market valuation is $1.86 trillion. Once people start making money, they like it and are delighted about it. Additionally, there is a substantial amount of money floating throughout the globe, and it will soon begin to accumulate. Then, when that does, investors will flee the stock market for the new cryptocurrency market. At this very moment, the S&P 500 is worth almost $46 trillion. In my humble view, a significant portion of that revenue will be generated in the cryptocurrency industry, And that's just considering the American market. That is the reason behind their prolonged attempts to restrain us. However, my buddy, those days are over, now we can begin to progress. The leap was enormous. My sincere congratulations go out to each and every one of you. Our future holds nothing but greatness. I assure you that I will keep you informed at all times, so be sure to stay tuned. For all the help you've given me, I just wanted to say thank you. Looking at this makes me so pleased that I almost get chills. We persevered, nevertheless. We are deserving of this. We were on a high this day. That concludes my updates for the day. To show your appreciation, please hit the like button. Without a doubt, it aids us in making our voices heard. More stuff will be delivered to you tomorrow. Make sure those alerts are turned on. Sure, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. See you later, bye.